terrarium, I went into my backyard and find a small piece of rock with smooth base and slanting side. After searching for a few minutes, this is the rock I end up with. The bulb I have here is pre-opened using pliers and screwdriver. There are some tutorials about opening a bulb, so if you want you could watch that. After that, apply some hot glue on the rock and place your bulb on it. Place the bulb at an angle of 45 degrees or so and make sure you have put enough hot glue on the rock. I picked up small stones from my garden as well. These small stones could act like drainage to our terrarium. Then I made a paper cone and placed it inside the bulb. Through this paper cone, I dropped all the stones into the bulb. Do not add too much stones. After that, I added some amount of sand above the gravel or stone. Finally, put some garden or normal soil above the sand. This is because this soil provides nutrients to the plants that we are going to place inside the terrarium. Also make sure you do not add too much soil. I went into my backyard again and grabbed some tree bark to add more naturalistic look to our terrarium. I plucked some tree bark using my fingers. You could use knife or some sort of equipment as well. Then the big piece of bark can be broken down into small pieces, and using tweezers you could randomly place the tree bark inside the bulb or the place that you wish. For our terrarium plants or so-called flora, I went into my backyard and picked some small plants that seems fit inside the bulb and also had a good greenish white to it. Took some mosses to cover the ground layer of terrarium as well. This is the total plants I collected from my backyard. Using tweezers, place the plants carefully inside the bulb. Use something like dowel or a pencil to spread the plant or to place it in the right place as you wish. First add moss, then go for the plants. Using a syringe, spray some water inside the terrarium. Please be careful while spraying, do not spray too much water inside it. Added extra tree barks after placing the plants to give our terrarium a more good character. To close the gap, I found these small tree branches lying around my home. I cut out a small part, it almost looks like a cork. Applied some hot glue in one end and placed it on the top of the bulb. It could actually act like a sealant to our terrarium. So you saw me making a terrarium, so go out and do it yourself. The process is so fun. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching.